We are going to get this on the radio.
Southwestern Logan County, Northwestern Clark County, Montgomery
It's in my
County,
area.
Miami County.
There it goes.
At 10:45 a.m. At 9:53 a.m. Severe
I'll tie
thunderstorms
that
are located along the line extending from
Why is it
Versailles
flashing
to
like
Connersville,
that?
moving east at 70 miles an hour.
Warning light.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
There we are. It's
Radar
700.
indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
I don't see any one else is doing this.
Kettering, Cooper Heights, Troy
Okay.
County.
They're probably blanking in this.
At 9:53 a.m., severe thunderstorms were
coming in well. I
located
have to
along
see
the
that
line
one.
extending from near Versailles to
Yeah,
Connersville.
there he is.
70 miles an hour.
One fire boat. I'm using
60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source.
Yeah, they are definitely looking like they're going to be blanking in this.
Damage to trees and power lines.
Here's where that tornado went. Or actually, sorry, this one wasn't. This ring was this one. A constant tornado, a weak tornado. Oh yeah, around right up there, not down here, and up in the Fort Wayne Tea Market. But
75 in Ohio between mile markers 50 and 96.
Sorry you can't hear TV, but hey, I'm gonna.
Here coming to New Paris in just about a minute from now. Versailles about the same for you. And to Arcanum.
I'm gonna do this.
See what that does to our times of arrival here coming to New
Paris. Not the green area. Those ones, you know, way up north, more than west. Way close to the line of two. Way around the line of two. But yeah.
Here for you can see if you live there toward Troy, coming in at about 10:17 a.m. into Eaton at 10:15.
Yeah, I would not be surprised.
Brookville 10:22, Tip City 10:24. That's your time. Now the Weather Service has went ahead and dropped the tornado possible tag, which tells us that we're not seeing a ton of rotation in these thunderstorms. But I do want to show you the velocity of the radar, so you can kind of get an idea as to where some of the strongest winds are right now. I'll go to picture here. You can see there are some indications of some rather intense winds coming through Dark County right now.
Kind of wrong.
I think those winds are a little high off the ground, so we're not sure if we're going to see 70+ mile per hour winds making it all the way down to the surface. But you get the idea. These storms have a long-lived history of being intense. We've got a lot of report of wind damage coming in across parts of central Indiana. So, again, these storms have that capability, and they have that history of producing that. Across the rest of the Miami Valley, here into downtown Dayton, we're seeing rain right now, but it is not related to the severe thunderstorm warning that is currently ongoing. Also tracking some heavy rain across parts of Greene and Clark and Champaign counties. But again, what you're seeing there is not related to the severe thunderstorm warnings that we have. I'll also go and recap for you. Severe thunderstorm warning till 10:15 for Mercer County. And then from those of us including Greenville, Richmond, and Eaton, this goes until 10:15. So we continue to watch those storms as they race off to the east again very quickly at speeds of 65 to 70 miles per hour. I'll put live Doppler 7 radar into motion. You can see just how quickly in the last 30 minutes these storms were well west of Richmond about a half an hour ago. They hadn't even entered Dark County a half hour ago, so they're racing very quickly off to the east. And as they do so, you may notice again those wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Could also notice some small hail and some frequent lightning. Again, we're all under that tornado watch, so that means a tornado warning could be issued if these storms start to exhibit some signs of rotation. In the moment that they do, if they do choose to do so, we'll be sure to start our wall-to-wall coverage at that point. But again, this is your line of thunderstorms that is racing through this morning, and then we'll watch and see how the atmosphere recovers this afternoon. Of course, I'll be here keeping you updated not just now, but I'll see you again on News Center 7 at noon. Again, multiple severe thunderstorm warnings along the north of I-70.
Whoops. Sorry about that.
This morning, I'll keep you updated, but for now, let's
get
back over to regularly scheduled.
I should have dropped the other one. All right.